AI can now build your backlinks on autopilot. This is not a theory from a science fiction movie. It's happening right now. But is this the dream of efficiency we've all been waiting for? Or is it the beginning of the end for link building as we know it? Before we answer that, I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to show you right now. Watch this. Okay, so I am firing up my personal AI agent. My mission for it is simple. Build a foundational backlink for my agency optimizewithsamal.com on the social platform Ghetto.space. My only job is to give it a clear prompt with the key info, my name, email, password, and my target keyword and URL. Now watch. I am completely hands-off. The AI opens the browser, navigates straight to the registration page and start filling in all the details. And here's the critical safety check before submitting. It always pauses and asks for my permission to proceed. I give it the yes and it continues. It intelligently skips the optional profile building steps like adding a photo or birth date because they are not necessary for our goal. It even navigates the mandatory follow step required to finish the registration. Now we are on the main dashboard. It identifies the status box and types out our link exactly as instructed. And one last time, it asks for my final approval before posting. I say yes, it clicks share and it's done. And just like that, a live backlink is created. Now that recording was fast forwarded to fit into 1 minute, but in real time, the entire process took just under 3 minutes. So now that you have seen how real and how fast this is, let's talk about what it actually means. That link I just built, on one hand, it's incredible. The efficiency is off the charts. But on the other hand, if I can do this so easily, so can everyone else. We are about to witness a massive flood of digital noise and spam on a scale we have never seen before. This creates a great divide. Websites of this type, public platform with easy open registration, are at risk of becoming SEO graveyards. They'll get saturated with automated posts. As a result, the value of that link I just built is going to drop dramatically. Why? Because it lacks the most important signal in modern SEO, human creation. If a machine can get a link in minutes, that link is destined to lose its value. This is the fate of all easily automated links, profile creations, simple directory submissions, forum signatures. Their time is over. But as the value of machine-made links goes down, the value of human-only links will skyrocket. Compare that simple profile link we just created to a link from a guest post on a major industry publication, which a human editor had to approve. Compare it to a link from a journalist who featured your business after you built a real relationship with them. Compare it to a link from a university that cited a unique case study you spent weeks creating. An AI agent cannot build those relationships. It cannot negotiate with an editor. It can't have a creative idea for a data study that earns media attention. And that is why those links are becoming priceless. So what's a new strategy in this new era of SEO? It's a hybrid approach. It's about being smart. That link we built on Ghetto.space is not useless. It's a foundational link, a piece of a puzzle that shows Google you exist. You should absolutely use AI agents to automate this kind of tedious work. Build the base for your pyramid with automation, but then you must invest the time you save into climbing to the top of that pyramid. Spend your valuable human hours on creativity, strategy, and building real-world relationships that lead to the human-only links your competition cannot automate. This is not the death of SEO, it's the death of lazy SEO. The game is evolving, and the winners will be the strategists who use these powerful tools not just to create more noise, but to become more efficient, more creative, and more human. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and learn how to thrive in this new age of SEO, make sure you are subscribed. The future is here and we are going to navigate it together. Thank you for watching. I am Samal Zia and this is Optimize with Samal.